In this review, we'll be discussing in detail about the best stand mixers available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best stand mixers, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Blind Guide present Top 6 Best Stand Mixers. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 6. Hamilton Beach Professional All-Metal Stand Mixer. Features: 12-speed settings, a sturdy but attractive design, planetary motion, powers through every mixing task with a 450-watt motor, complete bowl coverage with a planetary mixing action, easy access and tilt back head. Specialty attachment power hub, durable stainless steel 5-quart per 4.7-liter mixing bowl. Number 5. KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus Series Stand Mixers. Features: direct drive transmission, all steel gears and all metal construction, multi-purpose attachment hub with hinge top cover, 5-quart polished stainless steel, wide mouth bowl with handle, 450-watt motor, includes power need, spiral dowel hook, flat beater and stainless steel wire weave. Number 4. KitchenAid 7-quart Pro Line Stand Mixer. Features: largest capacity residential bowl lift stand mixer available. Includes power net, spiral dowel hook, flat beater, stainless steel wire whip, 16-cup flour power capacity, professional bowl lift design, 7-quart stainless steel bowl, capable of mixing large volumes, powerful kneading. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Features: Omnitech coating made from 100% nylon, mesh lining made from 100% polyester, adjustable hood, drawcord hem and velcro, sleeves, 2 zippered hand pockets for stacking some goods for the day. Smooth front zipper, protects from water leakage, perfect for layering with up to 2 pieces, easily packable in its own hand pocket. Number 2. Okma 6.5 QT Stand Mixer. Features: generous 6.5-quart capacity with a stainless steel bowl, powerful motor with quiet operation, comes with a splash guard to minimize mess, 660-watt high-performance pure copper motor, 6 optimized speeds with pulse function, tilt head design mixer, stainless steel decoration belt, flue LED light as a power indicator. Number 1. Dash Everyday Stand Mixer. Features: compact, lightweight design, fits in standard cabinets, comes in every variety of bright colors, includes 2 dowel hooks and 2 beaters, compact and lightweight, equipped with 5-speed settings, available in 3 different colors, comes with 2 attachments that make mixing and beating easy. Its bowl can be adjusted for better mixing. Compact size saves valuable storage spacing.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.